Hey guys, Wellesley here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, I invite you to hit that subscribe button. That way you stay updated on all my new videos. Alright, today I'm actually at my sister. Today is Easter, Good Friday. Good Friday. I just left church and I'm here, and as customary in Jamaica we have fish for Easter. And so my sister is doing fried fish, Jamaican fried fish, authentic Jamaican fried fish. I'm here to capture that to show off on you. The oil is already hot. Natisha, the big cook in the family. Alright, so there you go. The oil was already seasoned with garlic and pepper and already removed, as you saw earlier. But right now the fish was basically just seasoned with salt and pepper. Alright, and so she's placing them inside the frying pan. And as you notice, we are using actually a coal stove, coal pot. Thank you. We're using a coal pot. The oil is extremely hot, so that's one of the secrets. The oil must be extremely hot, and we're using a coal pot. So this will ensure that we have adequate heat and keep the temperature. All right, so it's cooking right now. 3 in the pot. Somebody's gonna ask me what type of fish is that. I honestly don't know for sure. I know this one here, my grandmother called it squirrel. I'm not sure what that one is, so forgive me. But if any of you know what they are, I'm gonna ask you to put it in the comment below. Share it in the comment below. Tell me what this one is. These two here are the same, and this one for sure. Alright, thank you. So while the cooking continues, my friend, I'm gonna just back up a little bit to share the procedure with you. Alright, so the fishes were scaled earlier and washed and dried earlier, and the garlic and pepper were placed inside the frying pan when it was extremely hot, and that was to help to season the oil. And then they were later taken out, and then the fish, after being dried, we take it now and place it in the frying pan. This cooking will go on for probably about 5 to 10 minutes. And then after that we're gonna turn the fish over. I'm gonna show you that as well. Alright, I just wanted to show you, to back up a little bit to tell you the procedure, just in case, alright? So we're just turning that one over. We have to kind of monitor carefully so we don't want it to be burned. Adequate oil to make sure they are covered, and adequate heat to make sure that they are fried and not soaked in the oil too much. Right, so that one has been turned, and so the others, I'm going to wait a little bit longer to turn them over. Alright, Pepe, careful. Say hi to the camera, Pepe. Say hello. This is my niece. Alright, so that one is ready, and we're removing that one. Alright, and the other two probably almost. almost with a little bit. Guys, you notice that we are actually cooking on the outside. We're at the back of the house. It's my sister's house. That was deliberate. Outside of the authentic Jamaican feel of having outdoor cooking. It's also for the reason that fish has a strong smell, and so we prefer to do it outside so that the smell don't linger inside the house. All right, there we just put another one inside there. Again, if you know what this fish is, please let me know. Let me know. All right, put it in the comment below. Thank you. That one is my favorite. I think the one we call it. I think we call this one the angel fish. But look at this. This one is this one is bending up. All right. So Lisa, come on, set this one down. All right. We get that sometime. All right. So that one actually, honestly, this one is my favorite. That head, sweet like sugar. Alright, so my favorite one is not so cute after all. But just to recap, this is basic seasoning. Sister outside me that it's just salt and pepper inside the fish. Right? And then the oil was just garlic and pepper. And we allow that to burn in the oil for a while and then take it back out. This is what it actually looks like. This is the garlic. This is the garlic here. Alright, that's the garlic there that was fried almost. And then we took it out and throw it away. Alright, so basic stuff, but it's gonna be just as delicious. By the way, for those of you who prefer to get a book, I am gonna be recommending one of my favorite recipe books. So you just check the description below for it. And you'll get it on Amazon as well. So very, very popular, one of the best Jamaican cookbooks ever. It's in the description below. While the fish is being fried on the outside, I'm going to go inside and show you how we prepare the escovitched sauce. There's really no big difference between fried fish and escovitched fish Jamaican style. The only difference really is the sauce. So while this is being fried, I'm going to go in and show you what we do with the sauce. Alright, so stay with me. Alright, so we're inside the kitchen and alright, she's some vinegar inside the container here. Now what is in here? It is, if you look closely, you'll see carrot. Well, carrot is distinct. There's pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper cut up, and there is pimento, all spice. There it is. There it is. All spice, pimento. You know it as all spice. Normally you would see also onion. Onion. We don't have any onion inside here yet. As yet, it will. We're gonna put it in there. But for right now, it's tomato. It's carrot, sliced dice, okra cut, and pimento along with vinegar. All right, so the onion and pepper, the onion will be added a little later. So that's the garnish. That's the sauce. I keep saying garnish, forgive me. That's the sauce for the fish that we're gonna put on it. All right, thanks. All right, Peyton, move away from there. Say hi to the world. All right. Sister Natisha, the big cook in the family. All right. Alright, this one definitely looks much better. Alright, I think this one is the parrot. Right, but this one looks much better. Looking good, right? Really good. Alright, again. So this, again, my friends, this is it's charcoal we're using to fry the fish on a old car rim. Right? So that's what we're doing. I actually have a video on charcoal, the making of charcoal. I'm gonna put it also in the description below for those of you who want to learn about that particular process. And the other way, well, we don't always use charcoal. Traditionally, we use, certainly on my side, where we're from, we use pimento wood. Right? Pimento, again, is some of you know it as allspice. But we use the wood as well to cook, and that gives the meal, the fish, and whatever we are preparing, a lot of flavor. I am learning as well that pimento is also available online, pimento wood. So I'm gonna find that as well and share that with you in the description below for those of you who are interested in getting pimento wood to fry your fish Jamaican style. Alright, so meanwhile inside the kitchen, inside the house, guys, we're frying breadfruit. We're gonna have it with the fried fish. This over here is a whole roasted breadfruit, right? This is it here. I'm gonna share a video a little later on about breadfruit in general, but this is whole breadfruit, and it is basically sliced. My sister is it's cut, and the heart, we call it, removed, and then it is sliced and fried. Basically, that's it. Nothing much to it. Just cut it and fry it. So the whole breadfruit, and then we cut it and fry it, and then we're putting it on towel for it to kind of basically get rid of some of the oil, hopefully. Alright, so that's it. But the oil needs to be hot. The oil needs to be hot in the frying process. Alright, that's all there is to it. Alright. Alright, so what we're doing here, my friendly folks, is that we're actually fast tracking the pickling process. So the same ingredients that we had on the inside there, we're just taking it here and putting it on the fire for a few to strengthen the flavor. The only thing that we have added there was a little bit of salt and some of the oil that we use to fry the fish. That's the only thing. So it's gonna stay like this for a few minutes, and then we take it off and we're ready to go. Alright, so we are actually just garnishing now. What's the garnishing? Putting the sauce on top of the fish. So this is the escovitched process. Right, so we're putting the sauce on top of the fish. We're gonna soak in for a little bit to add flavor to it, and that's it. Looking good, guys, really good. Smelling good as well. Peyton, wanna say hi again? Say hi. Tell them you're looking forward to have your fish. Alright, looking really good, looking really good, looking really good. Really good, really good. Alright. So kudos to my sister, there she is again.
Chef Mika.
And my other sister who is doing the breadfruit around the back. I'm Peyton, my sister, eventually. And my baby daughter, Aliana. Alright, so everybody looking forward to having our fish. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is the final product. Escoveitched fish Jamaican style with fried breadfruit. We're gonna enjoy it now. Myself and my daughter beside me, and my sister in the background, and my wife over there. We're gonna enjoy it now. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Again, make sure you do that so you get all my authentic Jamaican videos. Alright, have a good one. Happy holidays to you and yours.